overview of your IELTS LRW test. So you gave the test in your town itself?
No, ma'am, I went to Ludhiana to give it.
Okay. So what I'll be doing, I'll just now starting with the proper, just a second. So Kainat, can you please share with the other students what was your experience of giving LRW IELTS test during the Corona time?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
yeah, please proceed.
initially when I went to test center, they just allowed me to enter and they didn't allow my parents to enter. And at that time, they took me to, firstly, they scanned my passport and also took fingerprints of my right thumb 3 or 4 times. Then they took us to a place and where all students were just coming and sitting. Then
Could you
after
please
30 minutes,
tell me that as you went over there, it was in a hotel?
yes, ma'am, it was in a hotel. And before entering, they just checked the temperature of each candidate to ensure the safety.
And what you were wearing? You were only having mask or you were also wearing gloves?
No, no, I was only wearing mask.
Okay. And
And they only allowed the required items to go inside,
okay.
like pencil,
Okay.
eraser, and they kept all the belongings at a place. And to keep the belongings safe, they use the candidate number as a security.
Okay. Were your parents allowed to enter into the hotel?
No, ma'am, they were not allowed. Only candidates were allowed.
Okay. And as you stepped in, as they had as they took your temperature, they took your finger scanning. So, as you know, you said that they asked you to wait in the waiting area. So, how many candidates were there, and what was the social distancing pattern followed over there?
I think that there were 25 candidates in total,
Oh,
and all the candidates were sitting far away. Initially, there was a round table, and each round table has 3 chairs with it. So we sat in the order of three. Then, afterwards, when 30 minutes were over, they went and kept our belongings at a safe place and also did checking. Then, afterwards, when we went to exam center, there were 5 rows organized, and in each row, there were 5 or 6 benches.
only. So
And
it was
firstly,
a
they also
long
sanitized.
distance.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes.
Then, how about the sanitizers? Were you asked to use the sanitizers frequently?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, before signing, also, our hands were sanitized, and also before entering the exam hall, they were sanitized. And
Okay.
all the invigilators were also wearing masks, and the announcers were also wearing masks.
So, because I have heard that there's a long waiting time. Did you experience anything such?
I think that I have to only wait for 30 minutes.
That's the regular waiting time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And so, how did your listening went? Do you think it was easy?
Yes, ma'am, it was easy. It was quite similar to the Cambridge test which we used to practice.
Okay.
Before starting listening, they also told that you might check the sound if it's proper, and the example was also played.
Oh, example was played.
Yes, ma'am, it was there.
Okay, that was good. Okay. And how about so as the listening got over, so they took the sheets back?
Yes, ma'am, along with question papers.
Okay.
Answer sheets were there because we have to do the reading on the next side.
Okay. So how about your reading test?
Ma'am, it was easy.
It was quite easy as per what we
Yes.
have been practicing from the Cambridge books.
Yes, ma'am. I think second passage was difficult in mind
Okay.
test, but third passage was really very easy. I got a bit of nervous in doing second passage, but then I relaxed. There was only 30 minutes left, and I was left with 2 passages because
Oh,
second passage was really very difficult. But then I managed to finish the test 8 minutes earlier, and I also checked the all test.
okay. And then how about your writing?
Then writing was easy.
It was easy. And what did you got in your task one and task two?
In task one, I got a table where they showed a survey of the city, including the three area like Green Park area, Central area, and South Hampsburg area. It was in the form of table. On the left side, areas name were written, and on the top side, it was written the type of apartments like terraced and many others, and they showed the percentages how much of citizens of each area live in that particular type of housing. So we were told to summarize it.
It was quite, I think, easy. And how about your task one?
Task 2.
Oh, sorry, yeah, task 2.
It was easy. We were told to discuss the two views. Firstly, the question was that today's children are spending more time on computer games rather than playing the sports. Then they asked that what is the reason behind it, and they also asked that is it a positive development or negative development.
Okay, okay. So this is, you remember, this is a two sides question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so as you finished the test, did you took any break of kind of for a washroom break, or you just sit there and completed the whole test?
Ma'am, I just sit there.
Okay. And so once you completed the test, was it safe or there were any more formalities done?
Ma'am, I think after finishing the test, we were told to wait for 10 minutes because
Okay.
initially all the examiners they checked if all the details are filled by students,
Hmm.
and there was the one student who didn't fill their candidate number, and that student was allowed to fill it. And when all the checking was done, as there were 5 rows, they firstly announced the students sitting in one row to go, so they kept social distancing in mind, and they sent 5 students
Okay.
regularly.
In batches, actually.